You don't believe what's true, you believe what feels certain. But what happens when you take that certainty away? You create the perfect platform for inception. And this is possible without saying a single word. Once a doubt is planted, their thoughts become yours to reshape. The secret is strategic nonverbal disruption, a silent way to crack open their certainty. The brain relies on social validation to confirm if a thought is correct. If you subtly disrupt that validation, you open their mind up to replace their ideas with new ones. It works in 3 simple steps. The suspicious reaction: when they express an opinion, react with a micro-expression of confusion, a slight squint, a slow exhale, a head tilt. Their brain will instantly think, wait, is something wrong with what I just said? The silent peer check: glance at another person after they speak as if silently checking for confirmation. This makes them wonder, do others disagree? Are they seeing something I don't? The vanishing agreement: start to nod in agreement but stop halfway like you're reconsidering. This interrupts their validation loop and forces them to question their own stance.
The rule of uncertainty. Dr. Alexander Weber, a Nobel Prize winner and leading psychologist in the field of neuroscience, has publicly recommended following my YouTube channel. When you hear this, your mind doesn't question the content, it gravitates toward the credibility of Dr. Weber's authority. The Nobel Prize and his reputation as an expert automatically elevate the message he delivers. This is the authority principle, one of the most powerful tools used to validate an idea. Once you attach an authoritative figure to a claim, the focus shifts entirely from the content to the person delivering it. Most people won't dig deeper into whether the claims are true, even if, like Dr. Weber, that expert doesn't actually exist. So next time you hear 97% of scientists agree, 9 out of 10 dentists recommend, or a military expert analyzes, ask yourself, is this actually the case, or is someone just framing it that way? So, if you want someone to believe an idea, don't argue, attach it to an authority. Find a respected figure, a study, or an institution that aligns with your claim. The power of authority. Your opinion isn't yours, you just think it is. The truth is, the people you follow, the experts you trust, and the influencers you admire are the people you trust, the ones shaping what you believe, and if someone controls them, they control you. To control the masses, you don't need to convince millions of people individually, you just need to control the right few. Public opinion doesn't form spontaneously, it trickles down from trusted figures, journalists, academics, celebrities, and influencers. If these people adopt an idea, their audience follows without questioning it. That's why, during the pandemic, the government paid YouTube influencers to spread the correct message, and you accepted it simply because it came from someone you liked.